at USACE, we received an exemption to hire an intern. Pity the Pit Droid starts this week, and honestly, we're eager to have him help out. I'm looking forward to seeing how he does.
Thanks for the coffee. I'll get you some lunch after training this afternoon. I don't know where he found blue milk in Portland, and honestly, I don't even want to know. I asked for something simple and local, not some intergalactic mystery drink. It's not a good look.
Oh, hey, Pitty. Thanks for printing off those contracting forms. Let's see, we've got our $14.49, got a copy of the purchase description, and I can't even be mad. He mixed up the 1449s with the YT 1300s, but it's an older code. It checks out.
Pitty stopped by with the box from the warehouse. It was supposed to be a simple order of cutting tools for our engineers. I guess I should have been a bit more specific when I said cutting tools. The safety office isn't thrilled.
Hey Pitty, tried some of that blue milk stuff you made. It is pretty tasty. Did want to talk to you about your attire though. Doesn't quite match our workplace standards, so let's put that on there. There. All right. Keep up the good work. Mando, hey, you know I love PPE as much as the next engineer, but that helmet is out of rigs. Just, yeah. Oh. Okay, well I stand corrected. Hey, you have a great day, and if you haven't had any of that blue milk, it's primo. Being the new guy's never easy, even if you do happen to make a really delicious exotic blue drink no one's ever had before. But here at USACE, we take care of our people and our maintenance droids so they can take care of the mission. That means all the way from onboarding to executive leadership, we invest in any training, certifications, and resources our team members need to grow, lead, and be successful. I think we've set Pitty up for success, and he'll be building strong with us for a long time.
Pitty did great. He really took to the training. It was awesome. I tell you what, the force is strong with that one.
Just the other day, I caught him fixing the printer, and I saw him helping some of the other admins out with PRNCs and timekeeping. Things are looking up for Pitty.